Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can use the Vacation Tracker Slack bot using only natural language. The Slack bot has many uses, including requesting and approving leave, seeing who's away, and last but not least, accessing leave information. But for that last one, you are always at the mercy of entering a / command and then navigating a menu. Well, thanks to AI, that is no longer the case. And as of today, you can now start talking to the Slack bot as if it was another coworker to get the leave information that you're looking for. Before you start chatting away with the bot, you must first ensure that the feature is enabled for your organization. Any admin can turn this feature on simply by logging in to their own vacation tracker dashboard and then heading on over to the left-hand menu and clicking on Workspace Settings. Then they'll click on the Features and Permissions section, and then finally they'll scroll down until they see the toggle for Enabling AI Bot for User Requests in Natural Language. By default, this is set to no because once you click on yes, you'll be asked to grant permissions to Slack. Once you grant the Slack permissions, a new tab will open where you'll click on Allow, and then the screen will close, and then finally you can click on Save to have it activated for your organization. So now, the next time you open up your Slack workspace, you can scroll down to the Agents and Apps section and open up the VT bot and begin conversing with it when it comes to all your leave questions. You can ask it a question such as, who's off in the next 2 weeks? And then the AI bot will now start to crunch the information solely for your organization and then of course provide you with an answer. But that's not all. There are all kinds of different questions, and if you get stumped on where to start, you can just simply ask the bot the question of, what can you do? And then sure enough, once again, the bot will begin to process the information and then provide you with a list of different things you can ask it, including your leave balances, who's off as we saw, your energy level, or even information about your own policies. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about how Slack works with Vacation Tracker, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering this subject and various others, of course. And if you run into any issue whatsoever when it comes to setting up or using the Slack bot, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.